Hello, good morning. Welcome to Anita's English classes. Students, as you all know that for standard 10 there are two books prescribed. First is First Flight and the next book is Footprints Without Feet. Today children, through this video I am going to explain you the first chapter of Footprints Without Feet, which is A Triumph of Surgery, written by James Herriot. In this story, James Herriot, he himself is the narrator of this story, and he tells in this story about a dog, triumph of surgery. Triumph actually means what? Happiness of surgery. Surgery means operation. So surgery triumph means how he treated that dog. He has talked about the small dog named Tricky, who is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. Mistress means owner. And Mrs. Pumphrey is the owner of this dog. He falls seriously ill and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. And veterinary, what do you mean by veterinary? Veterinary means the doctor who treats animals. Veterinary surgeon. And veterinary surgeon is only Mr. James Herriot. And through this chapter, he had explained that how he does that, whether he had performed an operation and whether the dog recovered or not. So this only he had explained in this chapter. Now let us start this chapter. You can see the chapter is started with I, and I is the narrator, James Herriot. So he tells, I was really worried about Tricky this time. When we read this line, we can understand that definitely Mrs. Pumphrey, who is the owner of this dog, and James Herriot, the veterinary doctor, they both must have met earlier. So he tells, I was really worried about Tricky this time. This time when he met Tricky, he was very worried. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. Appearance means the looking, means how he was looking that time. So he tells that when he was driving his car, as soon as he saw this Tricky with his mistress in the street, he stopped his car. And he was very shocked to look at him. To him means what? This Tricky, the small dog. He had become hugely fat. Hugely means what? Very means big, large. Okay. So hugely, very much. He had become very much fat, like a blotted sausage. Blotted sausage means what? Swollen. Swollen matlab फूल गया था. And sausage is what? Sausage is a mixture of finely chopped and cooked meat. जैसे लग रहा था उसमें पूरे मांस भरे हुए थे और वो काफी हेल्दी हो गया था, with a leg at each corner. And his eyes bloodshot and rheumy. His eyes were bloodshot means it was bloody, full of red lines. Red lines से पूरे भरे हुए थे. And rheumy means what? It was wet, मतलब गीली थी. उसके आंखों से पानी गिर रहे थे. And stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws. और पूरी आंखें लाल थी, पूरी बॉडी हेल्दी थी, बहुत ह्यूज था, very much huge. And he stared means to looked intently, means किसी चीज को देखना, जिसको हिंदी में घूरना कहते हैं. Stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws. और उसके जीभ से पानी गिर रहा था. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain. As soon as she saw Dr. Herriot, she hastened means she quickened, fastened. मतलब जल्दी से वो जाकर Dr. Herriot को explain करना चाहिए. और वो कहीं he was so listless. Listless means what? Lifeless. Means वो निर्जीव की तरह था और उसमें लग रहा था कोई जान नहीं है. She explained that. And she tells, I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. और वो डॉक्टर हेरियट को बताती हैं कि हमको लगा कि ये malnutrition से सफर कर रहा है. Malnutrition is what? That is the lack of good diet or food. So I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up तो उसको वो बोली कि शुरू में हमको लगा कि वो मैल न्यूट्रिशन से सफर कर रहा है, सो शी स्टार्टेड गिविंग हिम सम एक्स्ट्राज बिटवीन मील्स टू बिल्ड हिम अप, मतलब खाने के बीच बीच में उसको कुछ वो एक्स्ट्रा खाने को देती थी. दैट वाज व्हाट शी स्टार्टेड गिविंग, सम माल्ट and cold cod liver oil. Cod liver oil means मछली का तेल. Cod is the fish, so the oil of fish, and malt is what? A gram, that is barley जिसको कहते हैं jaw. So she started giving him some malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks. Bowl means कटोरा, जो बड़ा कटोरा भर के Horlicks, at night to make him asleep. So she thought that he must be suffering from malnutrition, and she started giving him these all extra things so that he can sleep, and nothing much really. And then also she added that nothing much more than that she is giving to him. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? That means this also tells us that before Dr. Harriet must have told Mrs. Pumphrey not to give the sweet things to Tricky. So he asked that did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? He asked that question. Oh, I did for a bit. So she told what? I did for a bit means for a little while. Means थोड़े समय के लिए. For a little time she stopped giving it, but he seemed to be so weak and I had to relent. I had to relent means I have to soften, means हमको नरम पड़ना पड़ा. I softened and then again I started. He does love cream cakes and chocolates so. And she also told that he loves. He is here who? That Tricky, the small dog. He does love cream cakes and chocolates so. I can't bear to refuse him. And she told that I can't bear. Bear means tolerate. So she told that I can't. He loved the cakes and chocolates and so I could not refuse him. I looked down again at the little dog. Again, Dr. Harriet, he looked down at the dog. That was the trouble. And for him, that was the trouble. Really, he thought that the dog was, means he had become so huge and that was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. और यहाँ पे जो Tricky की trouble थी, that means whatever he was suffering from, that he was, what was his fault? The fault was only his greed. Greed means लालच. He had never been known to refuse food. वो कभी food मना नहीं करता था. And he would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. And I wondered about all things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. और वो इतना food का greedy था that he could not refuse anything. And he could tackle a meal. Tackle means वो कभी भी ले सकता था. Means whenever she gave him and whatever she mentioned, he knew that. I wondered about all things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. Means many of the other things also she must have given and she had not mentioned here. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? Then doctor also asked the Mrs. Pumphrey that whether she was giving plenty of exercise to him or not. Well, he has his little walks with me as you can see, but Hodking, the gardener, has been down with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. So she tells that, as you know, that she tells that she was giving him a walk with us. Well, she was with little walk with me as you can see. जैसा आप देख रहे हैं कि हम इसको थोड़ी बहुत walk करा. But Hodging is who? Hodging is the gardener of Mrs. Pumphrey. She is a very rich lady and she has all the facilities. So she tells that Hodging, the gardener, he had been down with lumbago. What is lumbago? Lumbago is the back pain, means कमर का दर्द. तो वो कहना चाहती हैं कि that Hodging, the gardener, he was having a back pain, so he was not giving him that exercise, ring throwing lately. Means ring throwing exercise he was not giving him now. So that was stopped and this dog was only eating and he was not doing any exercise. I tried to sound severe. Means Dr. Harriet, he was very shocked. He was very worried. So he wanted to tell something. And now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. And doctor directly told that now if you are not going to cut down his food, means not lessen the food, जितना खाना दे रहे हो उससे अगर कम नहीं करते हो, and if you are not giving him more exercise, he is going to really ill. और वो बहुत बुरी तरह से बीमार हो जाएगा. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. Or doctor then He explained that you have to harden your heart, मतलब अपने दिल को कठोर करके और उसको strict diet में रखो, otherwise he will be in a problem. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. Mrs. Pumphrey, she wrung her hands, means she showed her unwillingness. That means she was not doing, she was not willing to do that. Oh, I will, Mr. Harriet. Means very forcibly she told that, oh, I will. And I am sure you are right. That time she told that, I will, I am sure you are right. But it is so difficult because she was not willing to do. She could not do. She loved that Ricky very much and she was very rich and she was giving everything to this dog. But she agreed and she told, yes, I will do it because you are right. But it is so difficult, so very difficult. She set off ahead down along the road as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. And because she loved this dog very much, she also wanted to do and she was determined. Determined means एक दृढ़ निश्चय करना, एक शपथ लेना. So she was determined, she was firm that she was going to put this new regime. Regime means what? Means rules into practice immediately. And as soon as possible, she would start that new rules for Tricky. I watched their progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. And he told that I was little growing concern. Concern means what? Worry. I watched their progress. और उसका progress देखे वो उसके साथ. Tricky was tottering along. What do you mean by tottering along? Staggering. Staggering means लड़खड़ाना. Okay, लड़खड़ा रहा था वो, means he was not able to stand nicely along in this little tweed coat. Little tweed coat means the way the dress he was wearing, he was not staggering along that and he was feeling very uncomfortable. And the cold weather tweed coat, he had a whole wardrobe of these coats. और उसका पूरा एक wardrobe you can understand, the almirah, wardrobe of these coats for cold weather and a raincoat for wet days. उसका अलग अलग season के लिए अलग अलग उसके dress थे. He struggled on, drooping in his harness. Struggled on means not walked easily. और जब उसका ऐसा होने लगा तो he was not able to, उसको बहुत संघर्ष करना पड़ता था, बहुत struggle कर रहा था. Drooping means hanging. Okay, drooping in his harness means, drooping means hanging and harness means what? Leather strap. जो उसको लगाम जो पकड़ के रखी थी, the strung, the rope which was tied. So leather strap, that is harness. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. So the doctor understood that it would means very soon this doctor, Mrs. Pumphrey, she is going to call doctor for help. The expected call came within a few days. And as the doctor expected, the call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Here distraught means very upset. When she called him, she was very upset. Tricky would eat nothing. And he was not eating anything. Refused even his favorite dishes. And besides, he had bouts of vomiting. Bouts of vomiting means, bouts means fits. मतलब उसको दौरे पड़ते थे, बार बार वो vomit कर रहा था, कुछ खाना नहीं चाह रहा था. He spent all his time lying on the rug, panting. And rug means what? Blanket of thick wool. So that is called rug. And panting means breathing with difficulty. हाफना जिसको कहते हैं, वो अच्छी तरह से सांस नहीं ले पा रहा था. So he used to spend all the time lying on the rug panting. Didn't want to go for walks. Even he never wanted to go for walk. And didn't want to do anything. Means like careless, lazy. He was all the time. He wanted to lie down only. I had made my plans in advance. And he knew that Mrs. Pumphrey, she would definitely call doctor for help. And he made plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. And doctor understood that he could not do anything, and for that he will have to take out Tricky for a period from his house. Means he had to take away from Mrs. Pumphrey. And I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. Fortnight means a period of 15 days. So he suggested Mrs. Pumphrey that he should be hospitalized. Hospitalized means he was a veterinary doctor and he had his own hospital. So he suggested that he should be hospitalized for 15 days at least. Fortnight means which is a period of 15 days to be kept under observation. And the poor lady almost swooned. Swooned means what? She was fainted. Means she could not believe living without this dog Tricky. So she was fainted and she was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. And she told Dr. Harriet that she was sure he would pine and die. She would pine and die if he did not. She is telling about Tricky. He is here who? Tricky. That agar Tricky Mrs. Pumphrey को नहीं देखता है, so he would die. He had to see him every day. He had to see his owner every day. But I took a firm line. I took a firm line means he had taken a final decision. Firm line means final decision, he has taken it. And then Tricky was very ill and this was the only way to save him. And he told directly that Tricky was very ill and this was only the way that he could save him. Otherwise he would be very ill and there will be no way. In fact, I thought it best to take him without delay. Delay means what? Loss of time. So, जितनी जल्दी हो सके उसको वो अपने hospital में ले जाएंगे. Followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings. Wailings means crying. Moaning. Moaning जिसको विलाप कहते हैं, रोना. I marched out of the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. So I told the final decision and I decided and I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. Wrapped matlab covered. He covered with a blanket and I took the dog and he went towards his car. The entire staff was roused and maids rushed in. And when I took the Dr. Harriet, when he took the dog to the car, the entire means complete. Roused means stood up. All the staff of Mrs. Pumphrey, they came out and the maids means the working women there. They rushed in and out bringing his day bed, his night bed, favorite cushions, toys and rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl. Can you imagine? The dog, he had everything. The night bed different, the day bed, night bed, different cushions, toys, rubber rings, then breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl, everything. Because doctor was taking this dog to his hospital. Releasing that my car, it would never hold all the stuff. On realizing, he realized that all the stuff when they started bringing it, he thought that everything would not at least stuff. Stuff means आना मतलब उसपे वो सब sufficient नहीं होगा. She will not be able to keep all the things in his car. So stuff with all that, he was shocked that he was realizing that whether he would be able to keep all the things. I started to drive away. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey with a despairing cry. Despairing means she was very desperate, full of disappointment, and she started crying. And then threw an arm of little coats through the window. Then arm of little coat, she threw the arm and she was looking at that. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. And when Dr. Harriet was taking Tricky to his hospital to be hospitalized, everyone was filled with tears. That means all the maids, the servants, Mrs. Pumphrey, everyone was crying. Out on the road, I glanced down. Glance down means look down at the pathetic little animal gasping. Pathetic means very pitiable, दयनीय, जो उसकी स्थिति थी, उसका condition था, it was the animal gasping. On the seat by my side. He was lying there on the side of Dr. Harriet. I patted the head. Patted means थपथपाना, उसको पीछे से tap किए. He tells that he patted the head and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. और बहुत मुश्किल से वो अपने पूंछ को हिलाई. Wag his tail means हिलाई. Poor old lad. Lad means what? Lad means son. As we say, boy, lad. Okay, so poor old lad. I said, you haven't a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you. But doctor was knowing that he anyhow knew that how to cure this Tricky. At the surgery, the household dogs surged around him. Surged means moving, means gathered around. When he reached the hospital at the surgery, the household dogs means Dr. Harriet, he had many other dogs also at his Surgery. So surged around him. Surged around him means gathered around him. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes and when put down lay motionless on the carpet. बहुत मुश्किल से वो ऊपर सर उठाया and he looked at them and then again he was very motionless and again he put his head down on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. और जब वो उठकर दूसरे डॉग्स के साथ नहीं खेला, नहीं उन लोगों को रिस्पॉन्स दिया, तो the other dogs in a few seconds they decided that he was an uninteresting object. मतलब वो सोच लिया दूसरे बाकी डॉग्स थे, they thought that this Tricky was an uninteresting object and they ignored him और उसको इग्नोर करके वहां से चले गए. I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to one where the other dogs slept. Or then after that, Mr. Harriet, he made a bed, warm, loose box का एक bed बनाए और जहाँ पे बाकी other dogs सो रहे थे, he made him sleep there only. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him. And for 2 days, he was observing him. He was looking him and giving him no food but plenty of water. For 2 days, he gave him nothing to eat and he gave only plenty of water. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings and on the third day, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. So can you imagine? For these days, he was not able to get up, but 2 days when he slept there in that warm box and Dr. Harriet, he gave him only plenty of water to drink, but nothing to eat. And on the third day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings. Interest in his surroundings means वो आसपास के चीजों को interest से देखने लगा. And he got on the third day, he began to whimper. Okay, he began to whimper means to whine, to cry in pain. थोड़ा थोड़ा हिल रहा था. He was crying in pain when he heard the dogs in the yard. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out. Trotted means moved out. And was immediately engulfed by Joe. Engulfed means मतलब घिर जाना. Okay, engulfed. Immediately he was engulfed, and engulfed means surrounded by, you can say. Engulfed by Joe. And Joe means what? The greyhound. And greyhound means another hunting dog. Joe is what? The greyhound मतलब the hunting dog. So वो भी एक hunting dog था and his friends. After rolling over him and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. And after inspecting means checking. After checking thoroughly, जब वो thoroughly अच्छे से पूरा check कर लिया तो he started moving grain. The dogs moved down on the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Surplus fat means what? Surplus means you can say that उसका अपना extra जो energy, surplus. Okay, that he got it and then he moved. Surplus both जो excess fat जो था, he was slightly with his surplus fat because he was not able to roll like that. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan stopped the food into the balls. Tristan means he is the man who used to feed them, who put the food in the ball. There was the usual headlong rush followed by the sounds of high-speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. Liable means likely to face. So everyone rushed. They spelled अगर वो गिरा देता है तो all the other dogs will have it. So there was some competition for the last part of the meal. He will be able to have the last part of the meal. And when they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining balls. और जब सारे बाकी dogs खाकर चले गए, Tricky took a walk around the shining balls and licking casually inside one or two of them. And he was licking, मतलब वो चाटने लगा एक दो ball के अंदर वो खाया तो नहीं, he was licking that. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. Jostling means jostling. You can say what? Pulling. So on the next day, when extra bowl was given for him also, the doctor tell that he was very pleased. Means he was very happy to see him jostling his way towards it. Jostling मतलब कैसे करके वो अपनी तरफ ये कर रहा था, उसको ढकेल रहा था. He was pulling it, and he tried to eat. From then on, his progress was rapid. Rapid means very fast. And उसके बाद उसका progress जो था बहुत जल्दी हो रहा था. He had no medical treatment of any kind. और उसको कोई medical treatment नहीं दिया. But all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. Now, scrimmages means what? Fights. मतलब सारे dogs के साथ वो fight कर रहा था. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on, and squashed every few minutes. And every few minutes he crushed out there and he squashed, he damaged everything, and he was running with the gang there. He became an accepted member of the gang, an unlikely, now silky little object among the shaggy crew fighting house at night. And he was now fighting like a tiger for his share at mealtimes and hunting rats in old hen house at night. He had never had such in time in his life. और अब वो दौड़ रहा था, दूसरे के साथ स्ट्रगल कर रहा था, अपना खाना के लिए कर रहा था, and he had never done such like that in his life. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. Bulletins means news. He hovered means hung over. All the time she used to ring up and call and talk to the doctor about the condition. She all the time hung over there, and she started she was very interested to know the last bulletins. Bulletins means the news. She wanted to get all the news. And I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. But I was able to tell her that little fellow was out of danger and convulsing rapidly. And then he used to tell, doctor told that he used to tell Mrs. Pumphrey, the owner, that who was very much tensed about this dog, that his was recovering very fast. And there was she was convulsing rapidly means he was getting well. Convulsing means recovering very fast, rapidly. Okay. The word convulsing seems to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. And she started to bring round fresh eggs. और जैसे ही वो सुन ली कि he was recovering fast, she started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. And again she started bringing and giving it to the doctor. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. And for a happy period, she used to bring and give and come and give to doctor for the dog. But he tells that for a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. She also, it became a ceremonial occasion that they used to enjoy it with the bottle of wine and the eggs. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. और वो ये सब क्यों लाती थी? To enrich Tricky's blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meals. And she always used to bring those. It became the ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine. And like this, they passed. When we could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. And we means here, they could hardly believe it when the brandy came. And after that, she started to bring brandy to the final edge. Edge means what? The effect. Last effect was what? That she started bringing brandy. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled round, inhaled and reverently drunk. Inhaled means usko breathe kar lena, and reverently means respectfully he drank it. And there were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained up the midway wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. So she started bringing and he was getting it. It was a temptation. Temptation means what? Attraction. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on a permanent guest. As a permanent guest. But I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. Means she wanted, Dr. Harriet, he wanted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest, means forever. But he knew that Mrs. Pumphrey, she was suffering, and after a fortnight, because doctor had already told for fortnight, so after 15 days felt compelled to phone. Compelled means she was forced to phone, and she phoned it and she asked for that. And compelled to phone to tell her that little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. Means, as soon as Mrs. Pumphrey she got the message that he was recovering, within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal. Gleaming means what? Shining. Black metal means black car. Gleaming black car, it came, drew up outside the surgery. The chauffeur opened the door. Chauffeur means what? The driver. The driver of Mrs. Pumphrey. He opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. That means as soon as the chauffeur opened the door, she came inside the surgery. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. Trembled means kaapna. Okay. So it trembled. She was not able to tell, oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? She was very shocked and very surprisingly she asked, oh, tell me the truth that she is really better. Yes, he is fine. There's no need for you to get out of the car. I'll go and fetch him. Fetch him means to go and bring him. I'll bring him. You sit down here. I'll go and bring him. I walked through the house into the garden. He went inside into the house and then to the garden. A mass of dogs. Mass means very much. Means crowd. Okay. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn and in their midst, ears flapping. Flapping means fadfadana means flap karna. Uske ears wave kar rahe the and tail waving with the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack stretching out in the great bones, his chest almost brushing the ground. Or मीन्स पूरे 2 वीक में जो 15 डेज का जो टाइम था ही हैड ऑलमोस्ट रिकवर्ड एंड नाउ ही हैड बिकम ट्रांसफॉर्म मीन्स चेंज्ड और लेथ मीन्स फ्लेक्सिबल उसकी बॉडी अब बहुत फ्लेक्सिबल हो गई थी लचीला हो गया था स्ट्रेचिंग आउट स्प्रेडिंग आउट और बोन्स मीन्स ही वाज जंप ही वाज एबल टू डू एवरीथिंग नाउ दैट मीन्स ही वाज टोटली क्योर्ड आई कैरिड हिम बैक टू द पैसेज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द हाउस एंड द चॉफर वाज स्टिल होल्डिंग द कार डोर ओपन एंड व्हेन ट्रिकी सॉ हिज mistress he took off from my arms and in a tremendous means in a huge leap मतलब बहुत जोर से वो झपट्टा जैसे वो गया और अपनी मिस्ट्रेस को कार में बैठा हुआ देखा he took a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Mumphrey's lap. Lamp is goad. Okay, so she gave a startled means very shocking, amazed. She was very amazed to see Tricky in that condition. Oh, and then had to defend herself as a swarmed over her. Oh, swarmed over her means climbed over her. जैसे लगा उसको लपट ले and swarmed. She took him over her, licking her face and barking. और वो भी मतलब एक दूसरे को देखकर दोनों काफी खुश हुए. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats and balls, none of which had been used. और जितने सारे चीज वो दी थी Mrs. Pumphrey, nothing was used for him. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in his eyes. Her lips trembled. She was it seems that she was very thankful to Dr. Harriet. Oh, Mr. Harriet, she cried. How can I ever thank you? This is the triumph of surgery. She thanked him very much and she told that how can she thank him? And this only tells the triumph of surgery. That means the happiness of the surgery, the hospital, the place where Tricky was kept by Dr. Harriet and he was not given any such kind of medical treatment or the things which was given by Mrs. Pumphrey. So this was the love of the mistress and the dog. But how this Dr. Harriet treated Tricky, and in a time of 15 days he was very much cured and he became a very strong dog. So this is only the story. I hope you all must have understood this story. Now read the chapter and if you have any doubt, you can clear it.